Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Take kumki kaliram, hagador kubajam, taksao point rewlak. Just wow.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Uba Alexander Elheng uba longru unong yalam jong ka BJP but uba deiru u MLA ka penthor umkra constituency. Uloong ba ka party kadam ajing kershan ya ka jingti uranium haga zala Meghalaya. Ladaki pat ba ki yang Pyrshah Hynrei ulakan tait pat ban pediang ya ka jingdawa badai ban Khang wat ya ka Ophis jong ka Atomic Minerals Directorate for Exploration and Research AMD kabadon hanong ba Shillong. Haga jing krem mikala patai kubor uba AL hek uloong ba ka BJP kam kwa banyai Pyrshah ya ka monjo ki pat ba habakim kwa ban klong ya uranium. Ulapan kesanru da ka baong ba kinong tre jong ka Atomic Minerals Directorate for Exploration and Research kile ya ka kamram kum ki shakri sarkar bat ka jingdan jong ka Office sa Shillong kamut bakandon ka jingti ya uranium.
From the BJP party also, as long as the people they don't want to be any mining uranium, so we also with the interest of the people only. We cannot go against the interest of the people. They remove. That is not required to remove. Why do you remove? We will not say we are not allowed to mining uranium, that is fine. How you will say that we will remove the Atomic Energy Office from Shillong? That I do not agree with that. So they are the government employee. They are working according to the way of the government office is functioning. So they are doing their own job. But once the government of Meghalaya and also the people of Meghalaya are not wanted to, they will not allow for the uranium mining, that is ends there only. They cannot, if we have also the atomic office here, when the people are not allowed, why should we allow them? But they let them functioning as their office here. What's wrong to functioning as their office in Shillong? See, that is, I told you from the beginning, if we as a government, we cannot go against the interest of the people. So when the people don't want to be uranium mining, we are there with the people only, the people of the state of Meghalaya.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwaba finshet da kajo shikajo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Hynrei pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Hynrei minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kaneka umpnyang syaka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan ktasyo.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha upod usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya kawe kathem artali ki jila ha kabenta jong ka Assam don kumba ar phautali ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin bana ya kate ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pa ya ka khubor bala pau perthai ha kabenta jong ka Meghalaya pan don tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang Hynrei ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini artali ki jila menta kisdang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan